What you got measuring cups here for? Is that why you got measuring cups? You can measure their happiness.
My happiness. Well, then it's only a teaspoon, which is in the bag.
New reel.
Came with the pool, bro.
Oh, bruh, that thing is action. The lure gonna see that reel spinning from inside the water, gonna jump out and bite the reel, guaranteed.
Shit.
Small area. Oh, look at Maui over there, so sick. Maybe I should have shaved. It's all good. Like I said, change the way you see, not the way you look. What is up, guys? Welcome back for another video. Not by myself. We got Mana, aka Butters, because he's always on a roll. We got Kirby. Kirby! So if you haven't been here before, we're supposed to do a lot of adventure vlogs, but we do a lot of fishing mostly. But we do adventures. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and comment and tell us what we should do different. Yeah. I know my poles, eh? You're trying to see what pole I use, eh? So you can tell all your family and friends, and they're gonna use the pole I get, and they're gonna catch all the hoggies, eh? Hey, you better keep your mouth shut, boy. We stayed up all night last night. Well, maybe not all night, but we went out last night to get some bait. We got some crab, we got some little bait fish. We're sending it out today, best believe. There we go, Mana's gonna send it first. He got the goatee on the hook. That's what we call it. Beautiful day. Try them out one more time. Let's go. I'm gonna dunk the little goatee hanging out over here. Now let's go. Oh, don't bite. Stop doing a yank on my thing. Yeah, something hit it. You can see the ulu over there chilling. Savage. Look at that goatee. Mangled. Yes, sir. But that was a good sign. Got some hits. We got Kirby out here being Kirby. Butters out here being Butters. Oh, beautiful day. Look at the water. Just want to jump in and scare all the fish away. Only up right there I want to jump in though. Right over there. You know what I mean? Just right in this area I feel like jumping in. You know what I'm going to do this time? Soft shell crab. Soft shell. Hook them up. Maybe we should use the legs. Nah. Whole crab. Ah! Crab fell off! Okay, son of a bitch! Goatee! Man, we gotta dodge these hoggies! He just got soaked! Ah! Pa-pa! Ah! The pa-pa's! Savagery at its finest. Indeed. Stocky hawkfish! Are you kidding me? Come on, hey. First of all, you're taking my bait. Hey. This is mine, buddy, mine. Damn it. Well, that did not turn out so good. Okay, here we go. Set out the goatee, put the bell on it, and then start whipping. Raja. Betu.
Ah, come on, what was that? Grub?
No, goatee.
Goldie.
Damn it. Hey, finally somebody gets something. What you got? Oh yeah? Oh. Hey, Hinalea Slayer. So I'm gonna set up my dunk, re-bait my dunk, set it out somewhere over here, and then start whipping. Let's go, Kirby! Came off. Ah! Ah! The hook came off. Kirby! Ah! You can see the hugget through the water. Savages, man. Oh, what? Damn it! There you go. You know, I thought I seen a table box come up and grab the bait, but it could have been this instead. Humu. Oh, the state fish. The humu. Nuku. Apua. Whip a little bit, and then get back to that bait action. And you can slide. Bye. Huggy looking at him. There we go. Something other than Huggy. Call this a ta'afe. The ta'afe. Small guy, but they're definitely invasive to our reef. So let's get this boy off of our reef. Oh! Oh! Let's see what you got, Curbs. The Hodge. Oh, no way. That's not Huggy, but it is a Huggy. Okay! So tiring them out, hey, like scrap. Look, they... Bro, they come out of the water. Yeah, it's not all Huggy, but... Bro, they're out of... Loaded. I know damn well if I put bait on the hook, you know what I'm gonna catch. I'm gonna catch Huggies. That's like all I catch. Like so. Yeah, man, Huggy! Wow, this is like the Huggy central right over here. Huggies for days, fatty.
The size of that thing.
Look at that, 12 inches, probably a foot long. Hey, something hit Mano's live bait. You think it's a puhi though? See what you got. How big your puhi?
You ain't stuck. I could feel him and then he got stuck. Oh, there we go.
There we go.
Oh, he's out. I don't see that puhi. Right, it's something you pull back.
Doza! Doza! Fatty! Oh!
Whirler!
Holy shit! Oh.
Here comes.
Holy shit.
I know, it's scary, huh? Look at my bait still in his mouth.
Oh, got him!
Okay, he's on the loose. Look at Kirby toe. Watch out on him.
There he goes. This is like
There's
a snake.
some footage for you.
Like a snake. Ooh. Gross.
He's twitching.
Slimy. Well, small kind of life. Man, you know, we've been out here for a while, not catching much. Still a good day. Let's try the companion bloodworm, and after that, we're jumping in the water. Oh, whack! First cast out, so then whack them. I just got savaged by the savages of the sea. Hog it, gone. Look at that. Bro, I only got one fish. One fish. Shitty one too. And like I mentioned earlier, I know for a fact if I put on bait, like regular bait, shrimp, ika, or even those crab legs, I know those hoggies will grind them. Kirby. The knife. Here, catch him. Yeah. He wasn't even looking. Dude, if I threw the knife, it would have landed right in your eye. Catch him, yeah? You catch the knife. I'm gonna drop him. I'm gonna drop it. Catch him. I'm gonna drop him. Come on, I'm gonna drop him. Oh, yeah, I was tempted to drop it. But just catch him, I'm gonna drop it. No, so if I drop him, you're really not gonna catch him. I know you're not supposed to catch a falling knife, but only the cool kids do it. Nah, don't do it. Don't catch a falling knife. Something's biting your stuff. Eee. I think this is a what, moano, huh? Hey, good size. Finally. Yes, sir. Give it to mono for life beat. Yeah,
It's not a human. Oh, hey, buffer.
oh, damn. Yeah, as I was scrapping that big ass moano, here mono's hitting this little ass fish. Look at his eyeballs. Look into his eyes. It's like Momo.
Caught a Goko bro.
Goko! I think Goko is just is the name of a fish. Has nothing to do with the balloon fish, or I think. Well, it's just a funny name. Goko! Goko. Goko. Goko.
Look at him.
What's puffing up? He's puffing up! What the?
He's deflating.
That's so funny. I'm stuck.
A look of disappointment.
Sure. Never fails. Hoggy prevails. Let's go. Oh. There's something out there other than Hoggy, that's for sure.
Bingo, baby. That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah. That's not what Hoggy. There we go. What is it? What is it? I can hear your drag.
Oh, baby.
What is it?
What? It's a monster hoggy.
No way. That's the one. Yeah.
It's not for you, Drain. This derpy ass fish here. Look at that.
Yeah, Drain. Yeah, hit up our boy Drain on the Xbox right here. Let's go.
Derpy fish.
Oh, fatty.
So
Fat Hoggy. Choke meat on top. Bruh, fat Hoggy.
this is a deep sea hoggy.
Yeah. Try them if you like. You like cook them. Steam them. Blanch them. Raja. Well, let's get some bait out there. I really hope you guys enjoyed that video today. We didn't catch much. We had a lot of fun. Some fights, we got some action, scrapped some fish, a lot of fish, or a lot of triggers. Trigger fish. Well guys, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and comment, and tell us what's up, how's it going, roger that. Don't forget to share this video with everybody. And until next time guys, aloha, mahalo, shoot. Not even waiting for us, they're just digging.
This guy.
Not even waiting for us. Every man for himself.